If you are concerned that your child is struggling to achieve their full potential in the exams because they are forgetting everything or overwhelmed by the amount of content they need to remember, in this video, I am going to tell you the one technique they need to master to ace any exam. It's a good idea to understand that every single person forgets. Whether it is a smart, high IQ person or not so smart person, every single person forgets. And way back in 1880, somebody called Hermann Ebbinghaus plotted the forgetting on a graph, and this is called forgetting curve, which shows the forgetting is an exponential curve. And if you understand that everyone forgets, there is a chance that you can create some strategies to beat that curve, thereby acing examinations. The forgetting curve shows how everyone's memory fades with the time. Immediately after learning something, everyone remembers 100%. But just in 20 minutes time, we forget 58% of the learned new stuff. After 1 hour, we forget 44%. After one day, we just keep only 33%. We have forgotten most of the learning in one day. And if we are not actively recalling what we learned over a period of days, it's as good as we have not learned it. If your child forgets whatever they learned, it is nothing to do with their individual nature. It is common human nature. We all forget. You know this. All we need to do is to help your child overcome this memory curve with suitable strategies or techniques. The one technique everyone need to know is called spaced repetition. The strategy for spaced repetition is like, whatever you learn today, actively recall it next day after 24 hours. So your memory will go up and the curve flattens a little bit. And then you can actively recall it after 1 week. And then the curve will be flattened even more. And maybe you can repeat it after 1 month. Okay. The key is do not allow it to go to this very depth of forgetting or very low memory. Now that you know spaced repetition can beat the forgetting curve, what are the techniques people usually use? Mind maps, flashcards, all this can help your child to do the active recall practice. I'm going to tell you about some softwares which can help your child to easily include spaced repetition in their learning practice. Some of the softwares available in the market are Seneca Learning, Century Tech, Anki, Gizmo. These have beautiful algorithm incorporating all these ideas for getting curves, spaced repetition, flashcards, quizzes, mind maps, everything is there. Some students like flashcards, some students like quizzes, some students like mind maps. So these softwares help them pick and choose whatever they want and allow them to adjust how frequently they have to repeat content. You don't have to use the software. You can do it manually. Just remind your child to revise or use the spaced repetition, on a daily basis. Even if they just do open the book and just flip through, spend 5 minutes, and that is more than enough to bring the memory curve back. Should not wait for 1 week or 1 month or even worse till the next exam where the memory has gone all the way down and you have to lift it up. It's a humongous task. Instead, if they follow spaced repetition, it's a smart way of working, smart way of learning. If you want to learn more about the learning techniques or the softwares I mentioned in this video to help your child ace their GCSE exams, please look for the link in the description to join our school community where we help students in England to ace GCSE exams.